Amaphesenti angama-29 abantu abathelelekile emahoreni angama-24 edlule ase-Western Cape. UKubayi uthi basiqaphile isimo kulesifundazwe kanjani nesifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal nesikhombisa ukukhuphuka kwezibalo zabathelelekayo.
The majority of new cases in the last 24 hours are from Western Cape, with 29% of new cases, followed by Gauteng, which is still a bit higher, with 27 new cases. We'll be keenly watching the situation so that if the numbers continue to rise, we can ask NCCC and Cabinet to introduce the necessary interventions.
Unxusa abantu bakuleli kuba baqikelele ngoba izindaba ezibuhlungu zithi ngesikhathi isibalo sabathelelekayo sinyuka nesibalo sabantu abashonayo naso siyakhuphuka.
On Monday, the COVID-19 death toll reached 70,000 mark. And for as long as the number of infections continue to rise, the death toll will continue to increase. This is sad news for us to continue to see many lives being lost.
Umnyango wezempilo uthi angeke iphele imijovo ye-COVID-19 kuze kuphele lo nyaka. Umnyango uhlele ukugoma abantu abayizigidi ezisikhombisa abaneminyaka engaphezu kwengama-35 ekupheleni kukaNcwaba. Kulabo abayisigidi esisodwa abantu abaneminyaka engama-60. Kunokukhathazeka-ke ngesibalo esincane sabantu besilisa abaya kuthola umgomo.
Johnson & Johnson, we expect to get 10 million doses. Pfizer, our procurement, we should get 16 million doses. We have bought Pfizer Covax, and we're hoping we're going to be able to get another Pfizer Covax. And then in red below that, the Pfizer Covax donation, which is due in the next day or two, which is a very, very substantial donation arriving from the United States during the course of the weekend and into the early part of next week.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe wezempilo uDkt. Joe Phaahla uthi isenkulu kakhulu ingcindezi ezibhedlela njengoba kukhuphuka isibalo sabantu abathelelekayo kodwa kwezinye izifundazwe siyehla.
Regrettably, we are still in the midst of the grip of this third wave, so the pressure on our hospitals still remain quite high.
Ushayele ihlombe izisebenzi zempilo ngomsebenzi omuhle eziwenzayo nsuku zonke.